Hello everyone. Our admin panel is almost completed with its complete CMS system, but definitely we have to activate this dashboard, which we just didn't do. Actually, we just have to do some more things for the comments area. Actually, we didn't create this page. We just actually programmed this page, but right now the important thing is the dashboard. So let's just open the Notepad++ where I just opened the CMS system and the admin and index.php page. So first of all, these are the different things. Actually, the first one row is actually belong to the posts, and the second one belongs to the categories, third one belong to the users, and the fourth one belong to the comments. So here I'm just coming to the top, and what I'm just doing actually to complete system. Okay, I'm just adding up PHP here. Okay, and then first of all just manage that now. Perfect. And then SQL, and then equal to sign, and then I'm typing select all from posts. Okay, where status or status equal to publish. I'm just getting the post who has the status of publish. Okay, not all the posts. I just want to get there. Here I'm pressing enter and just typing run. Okay, and equal to mysqli fetch a sock, cover that, and then here the SQL, and then first the connection and then SQL, and then pressing enter, adding here I'm just typing count posts, or we can type total posts equal to mysqli. If you just remember, mysqli numRows function. So here I'm just typing run. Okay, by run I'm just actually counting the total rows. So what I'm just doing here I'm just removing this simple thing. Actually, we don't need to use any kind of the if else here. We can directly add this. Okay, here the echo and the total posts, and then save that and go to the browser and refresh that now. Okay, I'm getting some kind of error there. So why I'm just getting the error, I just added the DB as well, the posts where status is equals to publish. Go to the browser and just open the localhost / the PHP myadmin, and then this is the CMS system, and this is the posts area. So this is the status, so it is clear. Then why it is not giving us the result? Posts and MySQL fetch a sock, everything is fine there. Let's go there. I'm not getting the error there, by the way. Okay, the error is really simple. I hope you already understood. Here we have to mention the MySQL query, not the fetch a sock. Okay, because if you just want to run the query, you have to add MySQL query. Now refresh that. Now there is only one post which is published. If I just go to the post, then you can see that this is the only one post which is published. So definitely this is perfect. But if I just remove this clause, then save that and let's just refresh that. Now you can see 3 posts. So let's just go to the next one, and here, I have a better solution. Let's just cut that. Hey, sorry, not to paste there, just paste it here, and actually remove this and remove that as well. And actually, when this is not really necessary, to mention the things and on the place, because these things on the place, because obviously we are not actually, just get back them, we are not actually echoing something, we're just programming. So let's just add something like counting posts, save that, and then just press enter, and then counting categories. Okay, and then counting users. Okay, so now let's just program the counting categories. So for the counting categories, press enter and obviously add another SQL and equal to sign, and then the select all from categories. Oh, the spelling mistake now. So actually I just want to show all the categories. There isn't any clause in the category, so let's just run it. MySQLi, and now the query, if you just remember, and then just type SQL and then press enter. Now total categories equal, oh, one thing more actually, I just don't want to show the home there, but no problem, I can show the home there as well, because home is actually the category, you know that. So here I'm just typing total categories and then MySQLi num rows and then cover that and the run. Okay, now save that total categories. Really simple, just run this query there and then just count it by using the MySQL num rows, and just copy this line because of the pre-made PHP tags in the echo command. Let's just go to the MD3, which is actually the second one, and this is the category and this is the counting of the category. So remove that and update this with new. Okay, total post, instead of the total post I'm just typing total categories. Refresh that. I'm getting some kind of error there. Go back to there, and actually what is the error? And the error is really simple, that this shouldn't be the categories band, the table name is category actually. So let's just refresh that. I'm getting the error is still, it means there is something more which is wrong. Select all from category. Okay, so this is the SQL, this is the query and the total categories. So what is the problem I'm having, and where? Go there, the category is perfect, then why I'm just having the error? Select that, this is perfectly created there, the run is it, and the select all from category. And now the thing is, we must have to add the CONN. I don't know what is having what's happening with my brain. I just forgot the things again. By the way, this is the second one thing, the 3 result. Okay, now this is perfect. Now for counting the user, what to do? Actually just create another SQL and equal to sign and the select all from users. This is the another table which is here. You can see that the users. Okay, so definitely I just want to show all the users from there, and pressing enter and actually run in this way. MySQLi num, oh sorry, not num rows, actually MySQL query first and then the connection and then SQL. Now everything is fine there. Now total users and is equal to an MySQLi num rows. Okay, so there the run and save that and go down. Just simply copy this again, the category, and go to the next one, MD3, and just update the 2 into this total categories, but here I'm just typing the total users. So refresh that now. Actually there are only 2 users, that is why it is correct. I'll just manage the comment area in next lectures, but at this moment I'm just going to do some more things. This is a view post area. This is the, actually I have to update this, and here I'm just typing post list.php. okay, now save that and check that back. When I just click on post list, now post view post, I'm in all the posts. Okay, now go to there, view categories. So definitely here I'm just changing here, just typing category category list.php. Save that and then yeah, category, refresh that. Now if I just click on view categories, now I'm in the category page, and the last one is the view users. Actually this is the third one, so obviously where I just mentioned the user, I have to link up that page, but actually I didn't create the individual page for users, so I'm just gonna do this in next class. So by the way, no problem, I'll do this, but right now we have to go to there, the users list. So I'm just going there, here is the users list, and I'm just pressing enter there and adding some PHP commands, and then just opening this code and then SQL again, and then select all from users. Okay, Now press enter and type run and equal to mysqli query query, and then here co first and then SQL, and then press enter again and while loop, and then dollar $rows and equal to mysqli fetch a sock, cover that, and here just type run. Okay, then press enter, and here I'm just typing, oh, I'm not, yeah, this is more, because definitely I just want to show only one result here. So here I'm just copying this first one only and just pasting this here, and then just correct them with the manner and rule. And then the first one here, I'm just creating the number is equal to 1, and here I'm just adding this number. Okay, so here after this code inside the while, I'm just typing number and plus sign for actually incrementing after every loop. So this can be 1, and the second loop this can be 2, this must be 2. So here what I'm just doing, removing this name Shuzaib Kamal and just updating it to the real one, the rows, and then user, I remembered I just typed user f name, and then another one here dollar $rows and the user L name. Okay, save that, and here just mention dollar $rows role. Okay, save that and refresh that. This is what I just made here. So definitely I'm just going to remove all that list, because this is actually getting actually most of the space. So refresh that, there are only 2 results, but obviously it is working. But actually I just want to make this limited, limit 5, not more than 5. Okay, so refresh that, there are 2, that is why I'm just getting only 2, but definitely they won't be more than 5, by the way. So this is perfect, which I just did there. And then the second area is the call LG4, actually this area. So here I'm just removing the name Shuzaib Kamal, and definitely what is this session, we just created the session, and in the session if I just go to the admin and the where's the login area, in the accounts chapter, this is the login.php. I'm just opening in the notepad++, and here you can see that we just created the username, the password, and the role. So here in the index.php we just checked all that things, that select all from the user and etc. So here I'm just checking some other things. So now inside this while, okay, I'm just pressing enter inside the while. You know that in the while here we are just getting the data from users where user email and user password is matching. So dollar and $rows and the user f name, and then dollar $rows user L name. Now definitely this is perfect. Add in space here, and then here just type dollar name, okay, is equal to sign. Actually what is this? This is really simple, that I'm just getting the data from the database names user, and actually here I'm just checking the security as well by the login panel, okay, and then I'm just getting the username of the recent user and just actually adding it to a name variable. So here I'm just going down, and actually here this is the area. Now I'm removing this and just typing PHP and then echo and then the name and cover that and add the dollar sign and save that. Okay, now refresh that. I'm still getting the name, that means the result was perfect. The second thing is I have to get the jobs, the rows, and the email chapter and the contact and the country area. Okay, all these things I just want. So I'm just going to the top, okay, there, and definitely as I just get this name, I'm just typing job and equal to sign and go to the browser and actually go to there, the localhost and the user designation. Okay, here I'm just getting the user designation. $ROS, and then the user designation. Okay, now the next one should be the what I just want here for this page. Designation, the role. Okay, role, I can get the role, I can get the email. By the way, it's using the sessions, I can get the both, the contact number and the country. So here the contact number and the country is there. So the designation and the user date. So the address, I think instead of the country we should get the user gender. So I'm just going there, and then the gender and equal to ROS and user gender. Cover that, press enter and type contact number and equal to and $ROS. Cover that, and then the user phone number. This is what I just put it in the database. So now just fix this. Now go down, and here I'm just simply going down and down, just copy this thing, paste there as job. Okay, so here I'm just typing job, and then role, I will do the thing for role. By the way, here user contact number. Okay, I have to go to the top to check what I just typed there. The contact number. Okay, contact number and gender, not the user contact number. So definitely I'm just going to remove that one. Where is the area? Yep, here, contact number. Okay, so this is perfect. Here for the country I'm typing gender, and it's removing the country option. Okay, here gender. Now save that, and now for the admin I'm just calling this session. You know that we just created the session as well, so definitely we can call the session as well. So here the role, I'm just mentioning the role. Okay, and for the email address I'm just typing what I'm just gonna type, here, and then session, and here I'm just typing user. Save that and refresh that. So all these information are perfect.